Hi, this is Rollin here with Generation Kia. I'd love to show you some of the brand new features on the 2021 Kia K5. Let's start off with the front of the vehicle up here. It's going to start with the front end signature Tiger Nose grille that's going to wrap up into the amber LED turn signals. Kia has your safety in mind. That's why the new Kia K5 comes with options such as pedestrian avoidance detection, along with lane keep assist as well, utilizing the camera up here in the front. For your convenience, Kia has added a smart trunk that is going to be accessed through 3 separate ways. The first one is going to be in the driver's seat, the second one is going to be on the button directly here, and the third one is going to be on the smart fob with one quick button to access the trunk. Standard feature now on the 2021 Kia K5 underneath of the rear trunk lid is going to be the compact tire along with everything to change. For an added bonus, you can also use this for added storage space as well. Using the remote start on your new 2021 Kia K5 is very simple. There's only 2 simple steps that we're going to do. The first one is going to be as simple as making sure your vehicle's locked. At the second one, you're going to go ahead and hold the button down for 3 seconds. At that point, the vehicle will go ahead and fire up, and to shut the vehicle off, it's as simple as one touch. This is going to be a very useful feature for you on those hot summer days when you need to go ahead and fire the vehicle up and cool it off, or vice versa in the winter when you need to warm it up. On the EX model, it's going to come with multiple interior features such as, but not limited to, leather steering wheel, heated and ventilated seats, a wireless phone charger, and then multiple USB ports for both the front and rear. Some more great features about the EX trim line is also going to include the panoramic sunroof, along with the drive mode selector and an 8-inch touchscreen, which uses Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. One of the best features about the brand new 2021 Kia K5 is the fact that it's wireless. To pair up your phone to the Apple CarPlay wirelessly, what you're going to go ahead and do is, first thing, make sure your Bluetooth is turned on your cell phone. And at that point, I'm going to go into the setup menu directly on the screen in front of me, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit device connections. And at this point, over on the left-hand side of the screen, you're going to see 2 separate options where it says Bluetooth and then also phone projection down here. You're going to go ahead and click the Add New button, and then at that point, you're going to search for the Bluetooth directly on your cell phone. At that point, you will go ahead and then pair them. Make sure that the device numbers are correct on your phone and also what's displayed directly in front of you on the radio, and then go ahead and allow for syncing all of your contacts along with everything else. And just a few minutes later, at that point, it's going to give you an option to where you can utilize CarPlay wirelessly. It's that simple. The new Kia K5 is going to come with the drive mode selector switch, which is going to allow you to customize your driving experience. When you go ahead and start your vehicle, it's going to start up in normal position on the drive select mode. Now, normal is going to be for your everyday driving, kind of to and from work, whatever the case is. Now, at that point, we're going to have a second mode when we go ahead and turn clockwise. Now, the second position is going to be sport mode. Sport mode is going to be focusing more on optimal power for you. The Smart Drive mode is going to give you a balance between power efficiency, and last but not least, the Custom mode is going to allow you to customize the powertrain mode and the steering as well. To schedule your test drive on the brand new 2021 K5, please visit us online here at generationkia.com, where you can shop your way.